Okay, this is our ELSA unit, which has a broken hood. I showed it. Okay, so what we need to do is we will replace it with a new one. Okay, so this is how we do it. It's very easy. Okay, so touch, insert the pin, exhalation valve, then cover, then make sure you rotate it so that it will be locked. Okay, so that's it. Congratulations. Okay, so our ELSA unit now is ready to go. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.